Hello everyone, a new IPO is going to hit the market. Let's look for some details. Name of the company is Transteel Seating Technologies Limited, incorporated in February 1995. Transteel is a furniture company with over 20 years of experience in the corporate and B2B sectors. The company's manufacturing unit is located in Yeshwanthpur, Bangalore, Karnataka. The competitive strength of the company lies in the following: experienced management team with domain expertise, sales and distribution channels across all the states of India. The company follows the policy of value for money, providing affordable furniture. IPO opens for subscription on October 30th. Offer will close on 1st November. Allotment will be on the 6th of November. Listing will be on the 9th of November. Minimum investment amount required by retail investors is 140,000 rupees. Price band is 67 rupees to 70 rupees per share. Lot size is of 2000 shares. Total issue size is 49.98 crore rupees. Fresh issue is 47.49 crore rupees. Offer for sale is of 2.49 crore rupees. Key performance indicator are: price to earning ratio is 16.91, return on equity 37.21%, return on capital employed is 36.69%, earning per share is 6 rupees and 80 paise. Return on net worth is 37.21%. Object of the issue is prepayment, repayment of certain debt facility availed by our company. B. Purchase of equipments to facilitate manufacturing. C. Working capital requirements. D. General corporate purposes. Ahead of the issue opening, the company's shares are commanding a healthy premium of 21 rupees in the unlisted market. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.